Hello and welcome Bar-Ilan International students. This tutorial will briefly explain how to use and navigate within Inbar, Bar-Ilan's student online system. If you're a new user on the system, you'll need to create a password for yourself. Your username is your passport number, ID number, or Taudat Zaut. To create a password, you'll have to complete the following steps. 1. Click Forgot Password. 2. Enter your full identification number. 3. Enter the verification code sent to your email or through text. 4. Choose a new password, which contains the following. The length of the password should be 8 to 12 characters. It must contain one number, an uppercase and a lowercase letter. It cannot contain symbols that aren't numbers. It cannot contain a repeated series of letters or numbers, such as BB or 11. It cannot contain a part of your name or username. After resetting your password, you may have to wait about 10 minutes and then try logging in with your new password. Upon entry, you'll see your personal homepage. The shortcuts found in the center of the page are most frequently used icons where you can get relevant information for yourself. The first icon is Schedule Table, and that is a table version showing your course schedule. You can see details for every course, which include the time, location, and professor of the class. On the top left, you'll see a button which says First Semester. Clicking on it allows you to change and see the table schedule of your second semester and summer semester as well. Return the home page. You'll see the next icon is Schedule List. Similarly to the previous icon, this simply states your course schedule in the form of a list instead of a table. Here too, you can click the button on the top left to change semesters. The next icon is Grade List. This is a list of your grades for the courses you've taken this academic year. Under the Final Grade column, you'll see your final grade. The green button next to it shows the grade distribution among other students who took the course with you for comparison. On the far left column, titled Assignments, you can click the blue button to see the division of your final grade, as some courses require assignments as well as a final exam. You can see how you scored on each part of your final grade according to the weight each part carries. The Exam List icon is a list showing the exams you're due to take. Each row details the course name, date, time, and location of the exam. The Exam Notebook icon allows you to see your notebook on certain exams which you've taken. A green icon that says Open Exam allows you to download a PDF scan of your exam notebook so that you can see how you scored on each question as well as seeing your professor's comments. Courses whose exams were written exams and not multiple choice may offer this option, but not all. If you return to the home page of Inbar, you'll see a blue column on the left side of the page with different tabs. The Candidate tab allows you to see personal details such as what degrees and programs you're studying in Bar-Ilan, your high school GPA, and your SAT or psychometric grades. The Schedule tab is a repeat of the icons found on the home page. The Exam/Grades tab is also a repeat of the icons found on the home page, but with an addition. Clicking on Grades Average allows you to see your current grade average, your average by year, and the total credits you've accumulated to date. The Balance Sheet tab is where you can track your tuition payments. Under Debt Payment, you can enter the details of your credit card and pay for tuition payments online. Please note that payment via credit card issues a handling fee of about 25 new Israeli shekels. Under Balance Sheet, you can see your current balance status and previous payments. This includes the sums paid per date against the amount of yearly tuition. The Online Counseling tab is an inner subsystem where you can sign up for courses per semester. The Documents and Approvals tab allows you to issue documents for yourself that may be relevant for you. For example, here you can see an acceptance letter document. Another example is a document stating the total yearly amount for tuition. These documents are available for your use and are downloadable in PDF version. Soon, we'll have translated versions of all these documents. Under the Upload Files tab, you can click Upload Image. There you can upload an image of yourself, and this will be used and placed on your Bar-Ilan student ID card. The Administrative Requests tab is irrelevant for international students. In due time, we'll have an icon for this option placed on the home page. The only request which you'll need to fill out under this tab is the request for a graduation certificate, which is done at the end of your degree. The Computer User Codes tab is where you can find your various usernames and passwords for other Bar-Ilan systems, not including Moodle, such as the online libraries. The My Details tab contains basic information about you, such as your email, phone number, and home address. You can update these details as well as your password here at any time. Thank you for watching.